Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap for the day. I traded Apple this morning. This is almost like identical trading as I did yesterday, except that I actually got a partial on this 5-minute opening range breakdown. I took a 5-minute opening range breakdown on Apple after this week 5-minute candle closed. It came back up and was testing the VWAP. I went short with a stop above the VWAP. My first partial was taken at this level I have marked from the daily. My second one was going to be this level that I have marked from the daily or the low of the day. But I took one partial and it came back and stopped me out at break even. Now, there are a couple girls in our chat that have shared their success stories with putting RSI on their charts and MACD. That would be Alyssa and Megan. So I have added these to my charts, and if I would have been paying attention, as you can see, the RSI on all of my time frames went down below the oversold line. Actually, I guess it was just 1 minute and 5 minute below the oversold line. So if I would have paid attention to that, I probably shouldn't have taken it short where I did. This is actually where I am finding the RSI is very beneficial for me as a trader that loves double top reversals or double bottom reversals. And so on Tesla, as you can see, it didn't move too smoothly at the open. But after a while, I saw it was pushing up further away from the VWAP, and it put up this 5-minute candle with the wick to the top, the large wick to the top side. It also pushed up through the overbought RSI line on all of the time frames that I have, and it made a double top on the 1 minute. And when it tried to push up through these overbought lines, it did it on quite a bit of volume. So when it did this second peak right here, it made a new 1 minute low. I went short with my stop above the higher peak. I'm really loving using the RSI for confirmation on my double tops. I've noticed that it's really helped me to get better entries. I took my first 25% partial at the low of the previous 5-minute candle, and which was also with these moving averages on the 1 minute. And then as it was testing the VWAP, I went ahead and took another 25% partial because I wanted to lock in some profit, a little bit more profits. And then I took a 50% at this VWAP, which is also a daily level. And then another 50% at this 20 moving average on the 5-minute. And then I set a range order to either stop me out at break even or my next, I was going to go all out at this 423 daily level. And to be honest with you, I thought my entry was good enough for not to get stopped out on a pullback on Tesla, but sure enough, stopped me out to the penny and then went back down and did test this 423 level. I went through it actually. But once again, thank you to Alyssa and Megan for encouraging me to put this RSI on my charts. It's helped me out, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.